Hey everyone, welcome back to AWESMR Kids. Today, we'll use the magic microwave to turn the Pez candy dispensers into surprise toys. But before we do that, we'll do a little comment game, so be sure to write your comments below. Alright, so who do you like better? A. Snow White, or B. Jack Jack? Let's do another one. Do you like C. Woody, or D. Ariel? Okay, time for another vote. Type E if you like Sky, or type F if you like the green alien. We've got a few more here, but I think we've done enough comments. Let's start by using Woody to make a surprise toy. Let's see what Woody turns into. Whoa! It looks like we got two surprises. Awesome! We got a Toy Story 4 blind bag. And Woody the Pez dispenser turned into a Woody figure. Alright, now let's check out this blind bag. Awesome! We got a Bo Peep keychain. Alright, so I didn't introduce him earlier, but here's a Chase Pez dispenser. Give this video a thumbs up if you like Chase from the Paw Patrol. Alright, Chase. Let's turn you into a cool surprise. Yes! This looks promising. Check it out! We got a Roblox mystery box, and Chase the dispenser turned into Space Rescue Chase. Now let's check out this Roblox mystery box. Give me a minute to put all these pieces together. Well, look who it is! We got a caveman! That's a pretty big club. Here's another Pez dispenser I didn't show you. It's Buzz Lightyear. Give this video a thumbs up if you like Toy Story 4. Alright, let's make some more surprise toys. Awesome! We got two more surprises. Nice! We got a Toy Story 4 blind bag. And Buzz the Pez dispenser turned into a Buzz figure. Now let's check out this Toy Story 4 blind bag. Today we got one of the Bensons. Alright, now let's see what this Ariel Pez dispenser turns into. Yes! Two more surprises. We got a Disney princess surprise. And look at Ariel. She's not a Pez dispenser anymore. She's in a beautiful gown and she's wearing a tiara. Also, if Ariel ever needs to go into the ocean, she's wearing her swimsuit as well. Princess Ariel is always prepared. Now let's check out this Disney princess surprise. Here's the background that comes with this set. Well, we just saw her, but here's Princess Ariel again. Now she's wearing a pink dress. She's in her ball gown, so are you ready to check out her dancing skills? Not bad. Alright. Now let's make another surprise using this sky dispenser. Here we go! Whoa! That's a giant surprise toy! We got an LOL surprise, and look at Sky! She transformed into Jungle Rescue Sky. Now let's check out this LOL surprise. Here's a decoding tool. Let's check out our secret message. Light bulb plus cookie. The secret message is smart cookie. And here's our LOL pet. This is VR HOP. Here's a closer look, and this is a color changing doll. Watch what happens when I dip her in cold water. Awesome! Her ears changed, and she has designs all over her body. And you can change her back by using warm water. Okay, here's our first accessory. It's a yellow sippy cup with a black cap. Here's a pink kitty scooper. Here are the shoes. Now let's see what's hiding inside this litter. Use the pink scooper. Oh, we got a green game controller. Now give me a minute to dress our pet. Perfect! Here's VR HOP. How does she look? Alright, let's make more surprises using this green alien. Here we go! Yes! Thank you, Magic Microwave. We got a Lost Kitty surprise, and here's our green alien from Toy Story. Now let's open this up. Alright, so here's the blind bag. And here's our orange cheese wheel. But it's not actual cheese, it's orange dough. And here's our surprise character. It's Cheesecake. Here's a closer look at Cheesecake. And we even get a sticker. Cookin' like a boss. Alright, let's use the magic microwave one more time. Let's see what Dash turns into. Give us something good. Awesome! Dash does not look happy in there. Alright, Dash, you're free. And we also got a Doc McStuffin surprise. Now that he's not a dispenser, he can run as fast as he wants. Alright, now let's open this Doc McStuffin's pet rescue bag. Our first surprise character is Professor Hootsburg. And our second surprise character is Whispers. Well, hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to click that subscribe button for more awesome videos. See ya!